just finished ceramic coating this 60-foot Hatteras yacht. This is a 34-year-old boat, just as old as I am. All we got left to do is the hull, the bottom, but everything from the deck above has ceramic coating on it. As you can see, it's got an amazing shine. See the shine along the side there. We're going to take a walk inside. We did all the chrome work as well, polished it, put ceramic coating on it. Now the great thing about ceramic coating on this boat is the fact that boats sit out here on the water. As you can see, we're out here in the marina. They get hit by the sun all day long, so ceramic coating has UV protection. So it's going to protect that gel coat and help it stay nice. So we also did all this metal work. So as you can see here, all these rails have tungsten ceramic coating on it. They're nice and shiny and they won't get rusty or oxidized. You see the shine here along this edge. Looking very nice. Alright, we're going to take a walk inside, up top. Look at the rest of it. So like I said, this is a 60-foot Hatteras. So let's check out all the metal, how shiny it is. So this was a lot of work to get this done, but we're very proud of the results. It's looking fantastic. Years of protection from salt, UV rays, minor scratches. You see the glare, the reflection right there. It's going to keep this paint looking shiny and protected for a lot of years to come. We also did this whole back area back here. All the railing going up to the second deck. Another great thing we did as well was this seat. This seat right here. You can see some of the chrome on it. Cleaned all that up, cleaned the base, put ceramic coating on it. Did all of the metal work. This was all really rusty, really nasty. See what did all that. I'm gonna walk upstairs. Ceramic coated all of this area as well. See how nice it looks. All this metal up here as well. Pretty nice view working out here. Here. See that reflection. All right, so if you have a yacht and you want to get it cleaned up and protected and keep it from oxidizing and keep it from getting beat up by the sun, protecting your gel coat, protect your investment, give us a call, 561-906-9454. You can also check out our website, varietydetail.com, where we have a lot of videos of work that we've done in the past, a lot of information on there as well. So we hope to hear from you soon. Share this with anyone who could benefit from a nice looking boat. When we started with this boat, it was oxidized, powdery white, no shine. A lot lot of hard work, and we got it back. It's looking better than it ever has in a long time. All right, thank you for watching this video. Hope to hear from you soon.